Hello everyone. First of all, please let me introduce myself. My name is Victor Burban, and I am a English teacher at SMKN 1 Malinao, or Vocational High School of Malinao. And now I follow one of the programs from our education ministry in Indonesia. It is called Korea-Indonesian Teacher Exchange. And now I'm going to perform one of the traditional dance from Sumatera Utara. It's called Tolu Sahudulan. Tolu Sahudulan is a dance, it's a traditional dance from the tribe Simalungunis. It is one of the ethnic group in Batak in North Sumatra. Tolu Sahudulan is the dancing of joyful and also talk about the philosophy of life of Batak, especially Simalungunis, where it is like to tell you that in this life we have to be good in cooperation. It's like give the positive value in the community, and then you can live by yourself, so you need others. So you have to keep live in peace with others, and then doing the mutual cooperation, and also like giving help to others when they need, just like you need others to help you when you also in need. So it's just like mutual cooperation, loving and kindness in the community. And this traditional dance usually performed in the happy situation. It is like in the wedding, and it is like the dancing for all together, as togetherness of the people to celebrate the joyful. I think that's all. I hope you can enjoy this very interesting traditional dance. It's called Tolu Sahudulan from Simalungun. Thank you.